Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Google Notebook LLM has published another new mind-blowing feature in their Notebook LLM, which is the new audio overview format. So basically, if you go to your Notebook LLM, there you will see that they have added three formats. One is the brief, another one is the critic, another one is the debate. And these three are the important and interesting feature. So if you see that this deep dive feature also previously was there, but this new three things, brief, critic and debate, will help you to understand your document or the website URL or the YouTube URL, whatever the sources that you have added in your notebook LLM. These three features will make you understand more. And if you want to use that, so for that, after your summary got generated, on the right hand side you will find this audio overview, and now click on this pencil icon, and there you will find this brief, critic and debate. Now let's understand that what is this brief. So in their official website, on their official announcement also, here you see that brief is 1 to 2 minute bite-sized overview. What is that? Here you see the brief format delivers a bite-sized overview which is designed to help users briefly grasp the core ideas from their sources, and this summarizes the last 1 to 2 minutes, offering a detailed perspective. So basically, if you are in a hurry and if you want a quick summary of the documentation that you have uploaded in your notebook LLM, then in that case you can go to this brief and it will summarize and it will grasp the core ideas from all of the document or all of the sources that you have uploaded, and it will generate that 1 to 2 minute audio for you, okay, so that you can actually get the summary, right? Now next one is this critic. So critic is an expert review where you see that an expert review of your sources, offering constructive feedback to help you improve your material. What is that? A critic format provides an expert style review of your sources, giving constructive feedback and guidance to help improve your material. So basically, whatever the sources that you have uploaded, it will review all of that, and it will tell you that in which areas you can improve your documents, okay, or in which area you can work to improve that things. So basically, critic means an expert who will review of the sources, and it will give the feedback that what is good and what is bad and what is there for improvement. Okay. Now this debate is basically very interesting, that a thoughtful debate between two hosts illuminating different perspective on your sources. So basically, here you see that let me show you. The debate format features a structured discussion between two AI hosts, highlighting different viewpoints and exploring contrasting perspective within the sources. So basically, it will generate the host kind of things. Okay, so basically it will generate the podcast type of things. Yes, podcast type of feature previously was there in case of this deep dive, but in case of debate, what you will see that the real life debate. Okay, so if you see on TV, the real life debate is that one person is saying one thing and another person also saying at the same time. So that kind of things you will see in this debate, or you will feel in this debate audio overview. Okay, and another interesting thing is that they have added this kind of many languages also: Hindi, Bengali, and this Gujarati and Marathi. Okay, there are many languages that they have added so that you can generate them, and also you can listen that. Here you see that this is the official announcement that I wanted to share with you, and this new audio overview formats actually feature new voices. Okay, this is the new twist, and here you see this new audio overview formats are rolling out in all languages, although they have mentioned that they are currently supporting these languages, but they are rolling out that also within 1 to 2 days they will roll out all of that things. And so some of these involve just one voice. Yes, okay, as I have mentioned that they are currently rolling out these new voices. For that you have to wait, and whenever they will complete the rolling out of all of the voices, then you will be able to listen or generate that in your mother tongue language. Okay, and otherwise these new three formats, this brief, critic and debate, are available for all of the users, so you can go and try that. here you see that I have added this long cat flash, this model that I have already discussed yesterday. So you can go and watch this video also. This is the new model which is beating the Sonnet 4 and also other Kimi K2 and Gemini model also. Now if I want to generate this this brief, if I click on it and click on this generate, then you will see that it will generate that. Here you see that it has generated the audio for me, and now listen it.
This is the brief on Longcat Flash. Okay, so today we're looking at Longcat Flash. It's this massive new language model. We're talking 560.
So this is cool, right? And the interesting thing is that in case of brief, I have mentioned that it will generate 1 to 2 minutes of audio, and in my case it has generated 1 minute 53-second audio, which is the within 2 minute limit. So in the same way, you can generate the different formats in critic, in debate also, to experience the audio overview in a new way. Okay. So I hope that you found this new update helpful. If you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch the other videos also. Here you see that this long cat flash chat. This is the new model, and this Han Yuan Fole model, which is an insane model to give the audio from the video, and this mind-blowing update of Kimi slides and this backend development with Moshia. So please watch these videos. I will get a great knowledge from this channel. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.